In this episode, Day 4, we leave from Eco Cafe, the official starting point of the route. Rolling through lush suburban area, we slowly venture deeper into Mennonite country, and we discover a general store that feels untouched by time.
Duct tape will save the day again. On s'est ramassé une bonne petite récolte. Very refreshing. The hike-a-bike continues.
Day 4 begins after a cozy night at the hotel, and beneath a beautiful morning light, along a bike path lined with flowers. We reach an old railway bridge just outside St. Jacobs, stretching above the Conestogo River. There are so many beautiful places and wild landscapes just beyond our doorstep. Places we would never even imagine existed unless we took the time to step outside and see them for ourselves. Somewhere along the way, routine made us forget that. But this morning, despite our aching legs, we set off again with hearts full of energy.
Memory from our trip on the CNO. There's a canal on one side, a river on the other. It's nice to have some shade and it's a little bit cooler on the side of the water. Hopefully it'll be an easier day.
It's beautiful here, just outside St. Jacobs. Going to Walkerton. We follow Little River just beside on the left. It's about 9 in the morning. We are now in Old Order Mennonite territory. It feels strange sharing the road with horse-drawn buggies, especially when we pass a driver holding the reins in one hand and a cell phone in the other. Many Mennonite communities trace their roots back to Europe, mainly Switzerland and Germany, settling in Ontario during the 1800s. Their traditional clothing reflects modesty and separation from modern trends. Men often wear plain dark clothing, suspenders, and straw hats, while women commonly wear long dresses, aprons, and head coverings. Mennonites are part of a Christian tradition known for simplicity, humility, faith, and family life. Technology rules varies between communities. Some accept cars, electricity, and smartphones, while more conservative groups avoid most of them. Community-centered way of life and farming continues to play an important role in everyday life.
We're in Linwood, Ontario. Just stopped at a local general store, like traveling back in time. And we're gonna have lunch. We bought yesterday at the bakery in St. Jacobs a sourdough bread with potatoes in it. We just bought some local cheese and local strawberries. Yeah, so it's gonna be a nice day to have a little picnic. So we are on the G Guelph to Goderich trail for a little while. Nice rail trail. But we have the headwind in our face. We did not get a good blessing from the tailwind in, apparently.
So we're getting to Listowel. It's been pretty windy, and it's always that kind of headwind that we have. So tough day. Half of it is done. We're gonna have something to eat in about 10 kilometers in town. The goal today is 98 kilometers, and it's mainly off-road, off-rail trail.
So we are at the Crumbs and Cream, and after a grueling day in the heat again, we're enjoying some ice cream. So day 4 is over on the BT700. We're in Listowel, Ontario, and we stopped at Listowel Country Inn finally. We were supposed to go a bit further to a campsite, but the check-in was at 5 and we wouldn't make it, so we took a motel, and it's very nice, good service, and we're gonna cook ourselves some supper on a little picnic table we found, and we have some sausages that we picked up at the general store earlier today. So it's a lot easier in a motel, as you can see. We just brought in our bikes and leave everything on, just take out what we need for the night. So hopefully we'll be able to get an early start tomorrow to catch up lost time. We have to do over, I think, 100 kilometers tomorrow.
A little something about the feet. Don't buy expensive shoes, waterproof shoes. Water is gonna leak in it anyways, and then it's not gonna go out anymore. So the best thing to do is to get some good old Crocs, put some socks inside. You have a crazy look with that and you're comfortable. I just add some cushion under and it's great. Look at that. Perfect. And if you put the bottom of your pants in your sock, it's even better.
In the next episode, the adventure rolls on through open farmlands and endless gravel roads. A sudden crash and humility check. Somewhere along the way, I discover my orange Ontario twin. Once again, we are amazed by the beauty of southwestern Ontario's landscapes, from the peaceful trails of McGregor's Point Provincial Park to the quiet beaches along the shores of Lake Huron. So join us for day 5.